So next video we are going to make for the coupling base, and here you can see the drawing. So for me, first we are going to draw the top side view, then we are going to make the front and also the side view. So three view we are going to make for the coupling base. So let's start and make sure to open the template. And here you can see we have to draw it from the top side view. So we can see we have two circles here. This is one, and the center point to center point they have the distance of 2.5. So first we have to draw a line as first line, and I'm going to make it a straight line. Make sure it's snap to the zero angle, and its dimension is, how much is its dimension? 2.5. So a straight line 2.5 inches. Okay, so just zoom this line. So this will be the center line, and we have to draw two circles. Here this one radius, and also here we also have a circle 0.5, and also we are going to draw a circle here, and also here these two circles we are going to draw it. So uh, radius circle, so this will be the one, and also circle, and it's one, and also to another circle 0.5 radius, and circle 0.5 radius. Okay, so first we have to draw a line, so from this quadrant to this quadrant. So make sure this quadrant or tangent, we can also draw the tangent, but coordinates will work for us. So this quadrant snap object is activated like that, and also like that between this circle, and also quadrant between this one, and quadrant between this one. So from the top, this shape, for this shape we are going to make it. So just have to see what we have to remove. So trim, we have to trim these portions, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So this shape we have. Next, as you can see, we have an opening here which we can see 1.25. So here we have to draw a line in the center of this point. So make sure the center is, the midpoint is activated. So between this one, a random line of any dimension, and this one we have to make it 1.25 divided by 2. So it will be 0.625. 0.625. So 0.625. So offset in this direction and offset in this direction. Then we are going to trim. So just trim all of these. So here we have this opening, right? And also trim this one. Next, so on the top side, if we see what we are going to see, we also have to see line here, a line here, and a circular cut here. But this one we are going to make it like a projection. So this line we don't needed it. Next, I'm going to make a projection, and for this projection we are going to make a, so from this point a line, a straight line. This one will be the projection, and also from this point a straight line. And this line I am going to make it like 5, like that. Okay, so these two projection lines. Now we are going for the front view. So from this side and this side, but we can see from the front side. Okay, and then on the part, and just from this point we draw a line, and I'm going to trim this portion. Okay, so next, its thickness will be 0.5. So trim it, offset it 0.5 like that. Okay, and in the center if we see, we also have this one, and its dimension from the bottom of this side it will be 1. So from the center we draw a line 1, a line from this center, and it should be 1, and till this center point we have this circle, it's 0.75, and also this its diameter is 0.75. So 0.75, and also another circle 0.75. So this line we can delete it, and then draw a line from this quadrant till this intersection point, and again repeat line from this quadrant to this intersection like that. And then we just have to hide this projection, so we can draw the part line from this point and also repeat line from this endpoint to this endpoint like that, and trim this unwanted portion like that. And also we are not going to trim this one at this point. And next, just have to make sure and draw the projection lines. So projection line, I'm going to show it and activate projection line 1. So from this point till this point, projection line, and again from this point to this point, projection line. So then part, and also for this circular hole we can draw the projection lines like that. So then we are going to part, and this outer projection line, from the outer projection line we are going to draw these lines, this will be visible, and then the circular for this projection line, this will be the hidden. So like that, and repeat line, and right click and end. So like that. Then for this opening, like this opening we can see it. So the projection lines for this opening, so from till this point, zoom in, zoom out, and again these projection lines till this point. Okay, so for this projection line, this opening, like when you see it from the front side, you can see these lines, these edges. So make sure you are in the part, and also from here to here, and just trim these extended portion. Okay, so this will be 1.25, and here it will be go here, and this will be go here. So like that, this will be shown, these two will be shown. So then we just have to trim this one and hide the projection lines. So it will be shown like that, and this one, and this one, this line, and this line, this portion will be, yeah, it will be like that, it will be look like that. Here we have this opening, and again projection lines activated, and from here to here we can see this edge, and also we can see this edge, and this point it will be like hidden. So also draw a line from this point to this point, and also draw a line from this point to this point. So now first we are going to draw the visible lines. So this edge from here, it will be visible like that, and also this edge, it will be visible like that. Then the hidden lines, so this circular, it will be hidden. So from here to here we are going to draw a line, and from here to here we are going to draw a line. So just deactivate the projection, and like that we are going to see. And also, like if we see it from this side, this hole will be shown from here to here. So this line we cannot see it. So also going to remove this one. So like that we are going to see. Okay, so now it's perfect. Next we have to draw the right side view. So again, projection tool, draw a line like that. This will be the projection, what we can see from the, and also like that. And then go to part. We have to draw a line like that, and then just trim this portion like that. And here you can see from the right side, if you see this one, it's 0.5, and from here to here, this point we have 2, and then the inside we have from this point to this point, its radius is like 1, 0.5. So diameter from this one to this one be 1, and for this one from here, this point to this point, this will be 2. So we just draw this line. So I am going to offset it 2 like that, and also we have to offset it 0.5. So like that, and then again projection 2, and from this point we draw a projection like that, and then go to part, and for the part we have to draw a line from this point, and again line from this point to this point. So these will be the visible lines, and then from this point to this point, and again from this point to this point, and we can trim this portion. So like that we are going to have it. And I am also going to, so this L shape we achieve. Next, hidden line. So from this point to this point we have a hidden line, because from the right side view we cannot see this internal hole. And also we will have another cut. It will be 0, it will be 1, because from this point to this point we cannot see it. So like that. And again projection 2, for this circle we have to draw the projection line, so we can draw the hidden line for this circular hole. Then go to hidden line, and from this projection draw these lines. Okay, like that, and hide the projection 2 layer also. So like that we will have it. So this design is complete. We only have to put the dimensions. Okay, then go to dimensions, and this dimension we have, um, this dimension we have from this center point to this center point we have this dimension, then from this point to this point we have this dimension, and for this one we have this dimension, and then we have for this circle this dimension, and we also have this thickness and this height. So snap object, make sure you hide the extra, this midpoint, center, quadrant. So for this circle, this center point to this, we have this dimension, and this one is 0.5, and this one is also zero point 0.5 like that. So all the dimensions are added. Now we just have to add the center point. So activate the center point layer, annotate, go to center point and add a center point for this one and these two, and then center line between these, and also center line between these, and we also have to put a center line for this one like that. So now our sketch is complete. Thank you so much.